Hello, I'm Dr. Rajesh Kakkani, a board-certified otolaryngologist, that is, a ear, nose, and throat specialist practicing in Long Island, New York. This video is for general information only. For your particular health problems, please consult a qualified medical professional. Today we are going to talk about sneezing. Sneezing is a protective response and usually should not be avoided or interrupted. It's okay to sneeze if you have to. Sneezing helps prevent unnecessary material from going down our breathing passages. However, in certain conditions, especially after sinus surgery, we advise our patients to avoid sneezing. There's a particular trick that helps interrupt sneezing. You can use this trick also in situations where it would be embarrassing to sneeze. If you feel the desire to sneeze, press the area of the upper lip, under the nose, into the upper gum, like this, and then try to focus on deep breathing through your mouth, like this. Keep the pressure until the desire to sneeze goes away. Once again, sneezing is a protective response and usually should not be avoided. Also, for your particular health condition, please consult a qualified medical professional. If you like this video and would like to watch more like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.